Latest crypto and NFT news. Surviving crypto downturns, NFT NYC events retreat to dive bars and apartment buildings. The NFT NYC conference, an annual crypto confab that has gained a reputation for luxury and extravagance in previous years, took a different turn this year, as the cryptocurrency market experienced a downturn. The once lavish events scaled back, opting for more low-budget venues like dive bars and apartment buildings for its gatherings. Since its inaugural run in 2019, NFT NYC has been known for its flashy events that attracted big spending from proponents of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs took over Times Square as well, got everyone hyped. The change in tone and budget of NFT NYC reflects the broader challenges and uncertainties facing the NFT industry. The recent downturn in the cryptocurrency market, often called the crypto crash, has impacted companies' perception and spending habits in the NFT space. As the NFT industry continues to evolve, it is becoming clear that the hype and spending of previous years may not necessarily guarantee success. The recent shift to more low-budget venues for NFT NYC events could reflect the need for the industry. Read the full news at www.NFTStudio24.com.